Team Energy Electric Venture Private Limited, in short, TEEV. Team Energy Electric Venture is committed to deliver high-performance energy solutions for the dynamic needs of customer in response to the market demand. Quality is embedded into our products and also the way that we produce them. TV batteries are tested by NABL. Approved Lab TV is the authorized OEM vendor of government e-market in ShortGem portal. About us Team Energy. Electric Venture Private Limited has stepped its way in greening of the environment by delivering reliable energy solutions to our leading clients in the market. With many years of expertise in battery and power supply technologies, we carved a better place in progressing towards the development of batteries for electric vehicles. We as a team strive really hard for customer satisfaction with industry-leading standards and equipment by achieving innovation, development and quality. Our focus. We always act according to the principles which lays the foundation to any type of work intended, ensuring highest safety standards for employees throughout working environment. We deal with 2- and 3-wheelers and special purpose vehicles. Simultaneously, we are widening our focuses in serving 4-wheelers and other commercial vehicles to go fully electric. We are committed in delivering our products right on time, ensuring highest quality standards. What we do: battery chemistry, lithium ferrophosphate, LiFePO4, and lithium-ion, TV battery pack and BMS technology, lithium ferrophosphate, and CAN. Battery chargers, FCBC, DC to DC converter, single output, DC to AC inverter, true and modified sine waves, solar inverter. Our clients are Defence Research and Development Organisation, DRDO, Bharat, Earth Movers Limited, Ashok Leyland, Bharat Electronics, Ordnance Factory Medak, and Indian Railways. With our expertise in battery technology and electric vehicle solutions, Teev has taken a new initiative to enrich the academic knowledge of the students in this upcoming and potential industry, is offering practical workshops in advanced battery technology and electric vehicle assembly with complete knockdown kit for very affordable fees, which was very much received by the students and the institute. Based on that, St. Joseph College of Engineering had signed an MOU with Teev Pvt Ltd for continuous enrichment programs in EV applications and battery construction technology for students' benefits. We are already conducted a seminar at St. Joseph's College of Engineering, OMR. Practical session at St. Joseph Engineering College. EV Revolution Electric Vehicle Design and Development. Electric vehicle integration become job-ready through hands-on labs and projects. Design of battery for EV. Design of EV controllers. BMS. Motor controllers. Step-by-step process of disassembly and assembly of an electric vehicle EV charged hardware design for EV maintenance, safety and recycling. Why students should enroll in EV's course. With a rapid switch of automobile industries from IC engine to electric vehicles, there is a huge requirement of skilled candidates who are having a sound knowledge of electric vehicles and its components. The Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship anticipates that the electric vehicle companies in India are going to generate 1 crore direct jobs by 2030, with an additional 5 crore indirect electric vehicle jobs. Some of the leading industries: Tata EV, Mahindra, Electrics, MG Motors, Hero Electric, Switch Mobility, Lohia Auto Industries, BYD, Electric, and Ola EV Tech are some of the top EV manufacturers in India who offers job opportunities on the EV domain. The current requirement of the industry and academicians can only be fulfilled by providing a source of learning in EV domain. This program is specially designed with the vision to enhance candidates' electric vehicle technology. EV specialisation programs are one of its kinds, which will act as a bridge between industry and academia. We also offer placements, consultancy and training. Certification Merit Certificate will be issued by Teev for the students upon completion of EV program. Thank you. We respect your valuable time with Teev Pvt Ltd. If you have any questions, please reach us 7010727018 or 9 884 807957.